Assalamu alaikum. In today's class, we will start writing our first Python program, which is basically a chatbot. So start with a variable name bot name. We initialize it with a string machine. Now let's print it. Hello. Then we will write basically a first message, which will come when user open the chatbot. Hi, and within it its name. Bot name it we initialize, and then it will uh, mark, and then how can I assist you today? Okay. So here we close it, and now in the next line we will do while true and user input initialize, and when the type of this input is string is equal to input u and dot lower, basically to if a user enter a lowercase or uppercase letter, so it will, as Python is a case sensitive language, so is equal to input. Why this throwing an error message basically? No input, and there will be a space there. I think input is equal to string is equal to input u. Sorry, this will come in here. Okay. Now next line we will do if condition. If user input in within a range of, for example, he say hi or hello, in hi or he say hello, then the chatbot will respond like hi there, how can I help you? So we write here f basically to concatenate the chatbot name with the string output. So f dash board name will come here, board name first of all, and then hi there, how I can help you. Then close it. Okay, already closed. Now next line we will again write else if user input, if user input in buy or see you, he say buy or see you, then what will happen? Then the print will like this, concatenation string first of all, and board name, then after this goodbye, have a great day. We will write here goodbye, have a great day, goodbye, goodbye, have a great day, have a great day. Else if, again, else if user input is in, user input in, again user input, if he adds some symbol like plus or addition, then what will happen? Then print will be different, there will be different output. So f and board name, and yes, sure, let's let do some addition. Please enter first number. Please enter first number. F, and then please enter first number. Please enter first number. Again, actually first number not come here, it will again please enter first and second number both, so we write two numbers, please enter two numbers. Now try, what will this do? Basically try, we write here we write try to start working. Number one is basically we write float is the type of that number, and if it is not float, then we will convert it into float. User will input float, and then he will input the first number. So that's it. Now the second number is, he enter the second number, input second number, basically, because this chatbot is for addition of numbers. Second number will come. After it, the addition of these two numbers, print again concatenation of the port name with the sum is, no, the sum is basically this num1 plus num2. This is the formula to add two numbers. Okay. Now if the user input something else, a wrong value or alphabet, then we will add exceptions. Except there is some value error. Okay. Here we will add something like print. Then a message will be different. You know, there is a different message come here if there is a value error, like if the user input something wrong. So we will output, oops, that does not seem like a valid number. That does not seem like a valid number. Okay, try again. Oh, this will be a different message for user. Understand? After it, we will close the opening if with indentation like this. So else print again the same pattern. We will add the port here, the port name. I am sorry, as cannot find the output. I am sorry, I do not understand that, please try again. Okay, so here it will be closed. Now this is the program in Python to make a chatbot. Now let's save it and execute it. Check what is the output of this program. Okay, when execute it, then hello, you see the messages comes, and now here we will write hello first. He say, hi there, how can I help you? As we write here a print statement. Now after it, if we check it, if we write here bye, chatbot say seen goodbye, have a great day. Now if we want to add something, then we will write here add. So he will say enter two numbers. First of all, first number, second number, and the output will be shown there. So if a user add a symbol, then what will happen? The same message will come again, please enter two numbers. So user will again enter two numbers, and the output will be again shown. So this message will be again, user can try. Sorry, there is a mistake here. We will add num1 plus num2 is there basically. Sorry, and now we will save it again, and now again we will execute this. It's a huge mistake which I have done. Let's check there. No, check it will give up. Yes, now it is okay. So here it is error which user throws that it will. I have no understand because first of all I have to write add. Then he will say enter numbers. So I will enter. Okay. So hopefully you understand this program. And if you like this program, then please share this video, and also if you want to watch such kind of videos, then please subscribe and also share my channel with other friends. Okay, goodbye.